Morning children, how are you? So my name is Suresh. Today we are discussing about the one more topic. The topic name is the prove that frictional force is proportional to the normal force. The question is the prove that frictional force is proportional to the normal force. These are the topic. So today we are discussing about the one more new topic. The topic name is the prove that frictional force is proportional to the normal force. First of all, we will take the one brick. It is the one brick, and take the spring balance, and take the one hook. Okay, now these are the picture. So in this picture there are some parts are there. So first of all, it is a brick, and it is a normal force, and it is the spring balance, and it is the force, it is the weight of the brick, and it is a friction, and it is the hook. Here only we pull the spring balance. Okay, now first of all, prove that. First point, prove that keep a brick is on the horizontally floor. Keep a brick on the it is on horizontally floor, on the horizontally floor, and tied with the spring balance, and tie with the spring balance. What is the use of the spring balance? Mainly spring balance to note the readings, weights of the reading purpose. Okay, now first of all, keep your brick on the horizontally floor and tied with the one spring balance. Now second point, pull the spring balance. Pull the spring balance. Now note the frictional force. Now when we pull the spring balance, when we pull the spring balance, we find the frictional force. Pull the spring balance, and we find the frictional force. We find the frictional force. Okay, now same activity do the another brick. First of all, we take one brick. Same activity. Do the same activity, same experiment. Do on the another brick, keep on the first one. Okay, now so today we are discussing about the one more topic. The topic name is the prove that frictional force is proportional to the normal force. Already previous class we are discussing about the friction is independent of area of the contact. Friction is directly proportional to the normal force, and friction is irregularities of the surface of the cause it. So today we are discussing about the prove that frictional force is proportional to the normal force. Okay, now first of all, keep one brick is kept on the horizontally floor and tied with the one spring balance. Now pull the spring balance and find the frictional force. Do the same experiment and on the another brick to kept on the first brick. Okay, now fourth point. Tied with the spring balance. Tied with the spring balance. Tied with the spring balance to pull the hook automatically the normal force is increases and also frictional force also increases okay na. When tied with the spring balance to pull the hook automatically normal force is increases and also frictional force also increases. Now fifth point, one more brick is added on the spring balance. One more brick is added on the first brick. Again the normal force is increases and also frictional force also increases. The normal force is increases and also frictional force increases. So in this experiment we prove that frictional force is proportional to friction is proportional to the normal force. Frictional force is proportional to the normal force. So these are the today we are discussing about topic. What is the topic? Prove that frictional force is proportional to the normal force. First of all, draw one picture. One brick is kept on the floor and here only so many parts are there. First one, weight and spring balance, force, normal force, brick, friction and also hook and to pull the chain. Okay now, first of all we have to explain the one by one point. First of all, keep your brick on the horizontally floor. It is the one horizontally floor and tied with the spring balance. Now pull the spring balance and find the frictional force. Next, do the same experiment. Do on the one more brick kept on the first brick. Already we take the first brick. Again do the same experiment to one more brick is we taken. Next, tied with the spring balance and pull the hook automatically. Frictional force is increases. Then whenever frictional force increases, automatically normal force also increases. Okay now. So one more brick is added on the frictional force. So then automatically normal force is double increases and automatically frictional force also increases. So in this experiment we are concluding that frictional force is proportional to the normal force. In this activity we are learning about the objectives. Frictional force is proportional to the normal force. Next we are do the one more activity, that is the we take a one book. This book is kept on the surface of the table. Activity number 2. Take a book to keep on the surfaces of table. Surface on the table. And how many forces are acting on the book? How many forces are act on the book, and prove that and explain. These are the second activity. Take a one book. This is a one book, amma. This book is kept on the one bench. Okay, now how many forces are acting on the book and prove that and explain. Okay, first of all, I will take the one book. It is a one book. It is a 8th class physical science textbook. So these are the different types of forces are acting. First of all, downwards, the weight is acting. Weight or gravitational force. Next, upward direction, normal force is acting. Next, this side acting on the frictional force, and this side acting on the applied force. Okay, now explain the diagram. These are the diagrams and how many forces are acting on it. First of all, explain. So in this picture, how many parts are there? First, W is equal to, W means what? Weight. W is equal to weight. G is equal to gravitational force. Next, N is the normal force. Next, F is equal to, small f is equal to frictional force. Small f is equal to frictional force. Capital F is equal to applied force. These are the parts of the picture. Now explain. First of all, downward direction. Weight is acting on the downward direction. First, downward direction, weight or G, gravitational force is acting on the downward direction. Weight or gravitational force act. Next, upward direction. Normal force is acts. So here both are the equal. Gravitational force is equal to the normal force. Here both are equal, are same. Okay, now so W is equal to G is equal to N. Normal force and gravitational force equal to N. Next, horizontally some forces are acting. Horizontally, frictional force and applied force is acts. These are the briefly explain the one book is kept on the table and how many forces are acting on the book and explain and prove that. First of all, in this picture, W is equal to weight, G is equal to gravitational force, N is equal to normal force, and small f is equal to frictional force, and capital F is equal to applied force. So downward, how many forces are acting? Downward direction, weight or gravitational force acting, and upward direction, how many forces are acting? Normal force is acting, and it is the upward and it is the horizontal. On the horizontal direction, two forces are acting. One is the frictional force and applied force. And finally, frictional force frictional force is opposite to the applied force, to the applied force. These are the experiment of the prove that one book is kept on the floor. How many forces are acting on the book? Prove that and explain. Okay now. So once again I will explain the diagram. So these are the 8th class physical science textbook to kept on the one floor. Okay now, or one bench. So first of all, the weight is act on a downward direction, and the normal force is acting on the upward direction. One side frictional force is acting, on another side opposing side applied force is acting. Now explain the words. W is equal to weight, G is equal to gravitational force, N is equal to normal forces. Next, F is equal to frictional force and F is equal to applied force. Downward direction, how many forces are acting? 1. That is a weight or gravitational force. Upward direction, how many forces are acting? 1. Normal forces. And horizontal, how many forces are acting? Frictional force and applied force. So applied frictional force is opposing to the applied force. These are the experiment. So today in this class we are learning about the two activities. One is the prove that frictional force is proportional to the normal force. It is the one activity. Next, second activity, prove that one book is kept on the table, surface of the table. How many forces are acting on the table, and explain and prove it. Okay, understanding all numbers. These are the very interesting topic coming to the next class. Okay, understanding. Okay, thank you.